Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. In this session, we will repeat simple, natural phrases to help you speak fluently. Shadowing trains your ears, mouth, and brain all at once, making English feel easy. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's start improving your English together. Shadowing practice. 150 phrases. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Good evening. Nice to meet you. How's your day going? I'm feeling great today. What did you do yesterday? I went for a walk. I like reading books. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I love it. No, it's a little hard. Can you help me, please? Sure, I can help. Thank you very much. You're welcome. I'm sorry. That's okay. Excuse me, please. How much is this? It's very cheap. It's too expensive. Where is the bathroom? The bathroom is over there. Can I have water, please? Yes, here you go. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I like pizza. I love chocolate. What's your name? My name is Junaid. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in Pakistan. Do you like your city? Yes, I like it very much. No, I want to move. What do you do? I am a student. I am a teacher. I am learning English. I study every day. Do you study English every day? Yes, I study every morning. No, only on weekends. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. I like red and green. Can you speak slowly, please? Sure. I will speak slowly. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. I am excited. It is very hot today. It is very cold today. The sun is shining. The sky is cloudy. I like the rain. I don't like the rain. Let's go outside. Stay inside. It's dangerous. I am going to the park. I am walking to school. Do you want to come? Yes, I will come. No, I cannot come. I like watching movies. My favorite movie is comedy. I like action movies too. Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading. No, I prefer movies. I listen to music every day. I like pop music. I also like rock music. What kind of music do you like? I like relaxing music. I like fast music. Can you sing a song? Yes, I can sing. No, I cannot sing. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football. I like cricket. I swim every summer. I run every morning. Do you exercise often? Yes, I exercise every day. No, only sometimes. I like swimming. I like jogging. What is your favorite food? I like burgers. I love pasta. I eat vegetables every day. I eat fruits every morning. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee. No, I prefer tea. I like tea in the morning. I like water more than juice. I am learning new words every day. Repeat the words after me. Can you remember these words? Yes, I will try. No, it's too hard. Let's practice together. Listen carefully. Speak clearly. Open your mouth while speaking. Don't whisper. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I want to speak English fluently. I am improving every day. I make mistakes and it's okay. I am confident. I am patient. I am motivated. Learning English is fun. Shadowing makes me fluent. Shadowing improves my accent. I listen and repeat. I speak louder than before. I speak slowly and clearly. I mimic native speakers. I enjoy learning every day. I set small goals. I achieve my goals one by one. I love practicing with friends. I teach new words to others. Teaching helps me remember. I read books aloud. I watch movies in English. I listen to English songs. I sing along with the songs. I use new words in sentences. I repeat difficult sentences many times. I track my progress. I record my voice. I compare my pronunciation with native speakers. I correct my mistakes. I enjoy the learning journey. I am consistent every day. I will never give up. I am becoming fluent in English. Great job completing today's shadowing practice. Keep repeating these phrases daily to improve fluency and confidence. Shadowing trains your brain, ears, and mouth at the same time, so stay consistent. See you in the next session for more English practice.